Welcome to the JRD Solution YouTube channel, where financial education meets real transformation. Most people spend years in school learning math, science, history, and many other subjects, but there's one topic that impacts nearly every part of adult life that many people were never properly taught: money. These lessons have the power to change how you think about money, wealth, and financial freedom forever. Because once you understand money, you gain the power to control your future instead of letting your future control you. Number 1. Working hard is not the same as building wealth. One of the biggest misconceptions about money is the belief that working harder automatically creates wealth. While hard work is important, many hardworking people still struggle financially. Why? Because income alone does not create wealth. Many people earn money and immediately spend it on expenses, liabilities, and lifestyle upgrades. As income increases, spending often increases too. This cycle can continue for decades. The wealthy understand something different. They focus on keeping, growing, and multiplying money rather than simply earning it. Hard work can create income, but financial knowledge determines what happens after the income arrives. Number 2. Money should work for you. Most people are taught to work for money. Very few are taught how to make money work for them. This is one of the most important wealth-building lessons in the world. When you exchange time for money, your income is limited by your available time and energy. But assets can continue generating value long after you've stopped working. Investments, businesses, real estate, and other income-producing assets have the potential to create additional streams of income. This doesn't happen overnight, but over time, assets can become powerful tools for financial growth. The goal is not simply to earn more money. The goal is to eventually own things that continue creating value on your behalf. Number 3. Debt is a tool, not just a problem. Many people grow up believing all debt is bad. The truth is more complicated. Some debt can be harmful when it finances unnecessary spending and creates financial stress. However, debt itself is simply a financial tool. The key question is how it's being used. Many successful businesses use financing to grow. Many homeowners use mortgages to acquire property. Many entrepreneurs use credit strategically to expand opportunities. The lesson isn't that debt is good or bad. The lesson is that understanding debt matters. When used irresponsibly, debt can create problems. When used wisely and strategically, it can create opportunities. Financial education helps people understand the difference. Number 4. Credit affects more than you think. Video footage. Another lesson many people never learn early enough is how important credit really is. Credit isn't just about borrowing money. Your credit profile can influence financing opportunities, interest rates, business growth opportunities, housing applications, and many other financial decisions. Good credit often creates access. Poor credit often creates obstacles. Yet many people don't begin learning about credit until after financial mistakes have already been made. That's why understanding payment history, credit utilization, financial responsibility, and credit management is so important. Strong credit habits can create opportunities that last for years. Number 5. Saving alone is not enough. Saving money is important. Everyone should have emergency savings and financial reserves, but many people believe saving alone will make them wealthy. Unfortunately, that's rarely enough. Inflation continuously reduces purchasing power over time. Money sitting idle often grows very slowly. That's why many financially successful individuals combine saving with investing and asset ownership. Savings provide security. Investments create growth. Both have important roles in a healthy financial plan. The goal isn't choosing one over the other. The goal is understanding how they work together to build long-term financial strength. Number 6. Financial education is a lifelong advantage. Perhaps the most valuable lesson of all is this: financial education never stops. The financial world constantly changes. New opportunities emerge, markets evolve, technology advances. Successful people understand that learning is a lifelong investment. The more you understand money, taxes, business, investing, credit, and financial systems, the more confident your decisions become. Knowledge reduces costly mistakes. Knowledge increases opportunities. Knowledge helps you make better financial decisions, not only for yourself, but for your family as well. Number 7. Why generations repeat the same financial struggles. Many financial struggles repeat from generation to generation because financial education is rarely passed down effectively. Children often inherit financial habits before they inherit financial knowledge. If nobody teaches budgeting, investing, business ownership, credit management, and wealth-building strategies, future generations may continue making the same mistakes. This is why financial literacy is so powerful. One generation can change the future of an entire family simply by learning, applying, and teaching better financial principles. Financial transformation often begins with one person deciding to learn what they were never taught before. Number 8. The real secret of wealth. The real secret behind wealth is not luck. It's not magic, and it's not reserved for a select few. Wealth is often the result of consistent decisions made over long periods of time. Learning, planning, saving, investing, building, protecting, growing. Small financial decisions repeated consistently can create extraordinary results over time. The people who achieve financial freedom often understand that wealth is a process, not an event, and that process begins with education. The truth is, many of the most important lessons about money were never taught in school, but it's never too late to learn. The more you understand how money works, the more control you gain over your financial future. Remember, work hard, learn continuously, build assets, protect your credit, invest wisely, think long-term. Those habits can change not only your life, but the lives of future generations. If you're ready to continue your financial education journey, visit our website today, www.jrdsolution.com. Thank you for watching.